Premier and Herzogenaurach. Schaeffler AG held its annual general meeting in 2020 virtually. Due to the corona crisis and the change legislation, the event was broadcast live on the internet. An exceptional situation, as family shareholder and chairman of the supervisory board, Georg Schaeffler, said, "It's a new experience. However, I think we'd all be delighted to have our shareholders with us in the room, as in the recent years." One of Georg Schaeffler's most important topics with which he addressed the approximately 600 participants in the live stream, the new compensation model for the executive board members, approved by the annual general meeting. The new remuneration system focuses on long-term and sustainable corporate value development and strengthens the company's orientation towards the capital market. At the end of his speech, Georg Schaeffler addressed all employees of Schaeffler Group.
On
behalf of the Supervisory Board, I would like to thank the members of the Executive Board, the managers, and all employees of Schaeffler AG and the group companies for their commitment and constructive cooperation, and may now give the floor to Mr. Rosenfeld for his report. Taking the current corona crisis into account, CEO Klaus Rosenfeld emphasized in his speech how great the unity is within Schaeffler Group. Addressing the family shareholders, he said, "As family shareholders, you have shaped and influenced the Schaeffler Group, and by your untiring personal commitment, you ensured that the corporate culture remained intact despite all the challenges." And addressed to the employees, he expressed his thanks. All of them, also on behalf of my colleagues on the Executive Board, deserve our great thanks and recognition. Klaus Rosenfeld further emphasized that with this soon-to-be-launched Strategy 2024, the aim is to position Schaeffler Group for the future. He added that the company set up as an automotive and industrial supplier is decisive for its success. The logic of this approach is very compelling, as the current crisis shows, and it will be all the more compelling if we can generate even greater synergies between our three divisions. Our expectation for the entire Schaeffler Group remains very ambitious, because our aim is to shape progress that moves the world. Looking into the future, the chairman of the Executive Board concluded his speech by discussing the topic of sustainability. Sustainability has been anchored within Schaeffler for many years. In the future, the topic sustainability will become increasingly more important. The annual general meeting decided 45 cents as dividend payout per preferred share and included sustainability targets in the remuneration of the Executive Board. For the 2020 financial year, the Supervisory Board has set sustainability targets as a further performance criterion. Among other things, this is intended to promote increased energy efficiency and achieve a CDP rating of at least B for the Schaeffler Group.